Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is blessed. This is No Grandma Glamour. So yeah, I achieved this look by using the Game of Thrones makeup, finally. So this is how it came out. And far as the wig is a glow in the dark wig. I couldn't get a all white wig, but it's a glow in the dark wig. So it's like white with blue highlights. So if you want to know how to choose this look, keep watching to the video. See you soon. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to No Grandma Glamour. Hey, I'm a grandma. So I am excited about the tutorial I'm going to do today. So before we get into that, eyebrows done by Anastasia, the pomade and chocolate on the bottom and top of my eyebrows though. I found this just lurking around and I never used it. This is the BH Foundation Concealer 2 10 color palette, and I'm gonna open it up. This is how it looks. So of course I knit that, so I knit it. I use this color right here for the bottom of my eyebrows. You can see it blended out very well. I use these colors, mix them for the top of my eyebrows. And I'm pretty sure BH, all their products are affordable, but this is the palette, a must palette that you can have. Like you say, you see all of the, let me open up again for you guys. All of the colors. You have your darks in there, you have your pinks in there, you have your beige in there. So, and like I said, I mixed both of those to get my color. So this is a nice palette to have and it's affordable. So, this makeup, I was waiting till the Game of Thrones finished, and I was so distraught I couldn't do the makeup. But Urban Decay HBO came up with this. This is beautiful. So I have this. This is an eyeshadow palette. I have a lip and cheek stain. I have a eyeliner, waterproof, and I think that's it. Oh no, it's not it. And I also have the Game of Thrones highlighting palette. So I am very excited about today. Now, of course, I did not prime my eyes yet. I don't know, I just didn't. I did color correct, and my eyebrows, of course, we talked about. So I don't know if I want to use NYX on this. Maybe I use a little bit NYX base for it, but I don't know. So let's just use a little bit. How about that? And you see a little bit just goes a long way. I just tapped into NYX. And this is the professional makeup. You always see me reach for this. I have a lot of other primer concealer, but mostly for the eyeshadow primer, I reach for this. So it comes with this mirror and some words, and let's read what it's saying. Lannister, Targaryen, Baratheon, Stark, Tyrell. They're all just spokes on a wheel. This one on top, then that one on top, and on it spin, crushing those on the ground. And that is from Daenerys Targaryen. What is this? Oh, wait. You see the Iron Throne? And some words down here. Never forget what you are. The rest of the world will not. Wear it like armor, and it can never be used to hurt you. He's absolutely right. You are who you are. Own it. Your mistakes and all. Own it. Because if you know your own flaws and your own mistakes, can't nobody use that against you. That's, I'm definitely learning. So, wow. Eyeshadow palette. Can I get it all the way out? Okay. It comes all the way out, you guys. Look, I am handling this stuff with so much care right now. And this is the eyeshadow. Yes. Wow. You have Take the Black, Frozen North, Nimra, if I'm saying that right, Nymeria, Nimra. Okay, Werewood Leaves, Red Keep, House Lannister, Storm Born, Doraki, Bend the Knee, House Targaryen, Lannister Red, Castle Rock, The Sight, Winter is Here, Free Folks, White Walker, Hard Home, Winterfell, Team Landing, Bay of Dragons. So I'm going to the mirror. That's this brown color here. This is a real pretty color. It's like it's darker on my eyes than on the pan. Do you guys see that? And as you see, I did go into my crease with this. And of course, my Jeffree Star creasing brush. Take that same color and I'm going to build that into my crease. This color is absolutely beautiful. I could wear this by itself. So now, of course, I gotta hit that Lannister Red, which is this color, and build that into my crease also. Using the same Jeffree Star brush. I'm gonna take the smaller crease brush. This is the BBs. This is the 234 brush. And I'm going to Winter is Here. And that's this deep color here. I'm gonna put that and concentrate that on my outer V. I'm gonna take that BB brush again, and I want to hit Werewolf Leaves. I'm gonna take my it brush that look like this. You know I got a problem with reading it brushes. I love them, I have a problem reading them. Silver words on a silver brush. This is No Grandma Glamour. Grandma can't see. So let's go to the Free Folk. And I want to kind of mix that with the White Walker. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into the White Walker and then go into Free Folk. I'm taking it all the way to my corner. I'm going to take Hard Home and put that under my brow bone. So let's get into foundation and primer, okay?
Look how see-through it is.
Oh, that's pretty. Y'all see that? She went there for her birthday.
Let me see, Mommy.
Boy, hush.
Okay, so let's go on to this e.l.f. Putty Primer. Okay, so now I'm going to my Urban Decay. And this is the All-Nighter Waterproof Long Wear Liquid Foundation. And my color right now is 10-0, one pump, and it's a lot. That's enough for me. One pump is full coverage. Next time I'm doing a half a pump. This is actually full coverage, and I'm not a full coverage girl. But we're going to keep rocking with it. So I'm going to take my Shape Tape by Tarte. And this color is in Medium Honey 35H. I'm going to take the same sponge and blend it out. So I'm going to go ahead and set this back up. And this is a Pink Haze. It's a blurring powder. And I'm going to set everywhere I conceal that with this. It's pink. I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to take my splash box, and this is the Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. It has the foundation on one end, and it has the contouring on the other. I'm gonna take the contour side and apply it to my face. For my nose contour, I'm gonna use this it brush here. I'm going to blend the contour out using my Jeffree Star brush, the contour brush. So I'm going to take the same powder by Becca and my sponge, and I'm going to just give my contour a little sharpness to it. Okay, I'm going to go back into this Urban Decay palette, Game of Thrones. And I'm going to take this it brush back into the Werewood Leaves, this deep purple here, and smoke out the bottom lash line. I'm going to go into White Walker and Free Folk and put that beneath my waterline, also in the beginning of my eye. I'm going to the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara, and just say 10 Noir. That's how it looks. Now I'm going to take this Urban Decay, the Dragon Smoke, and the color is Dragon Smoke, and this is a waterproof eyeliner. This is how it looks, and put that in my waterline. So I'm going to take my it brush and dust all this powder off. I'm going to take my Smashbox and just set where I contoured at. Take that same Jeffree Star contouring brush and just dip in here. It's very pigmented, and this is how much product I'm using, and just a lot. Onto this lip and cheek stain. This is how it looks. This liquidly. So what I'm going to do, right? Put some right there on my hand. See? And very lightly touch my cheek. Build up that color, but not doing too much. For the lips, just add a little bit there. So now, let's go into this highlighter. This is how it looks. This is the Game of Thrones, a Mother of Dragons highlight palette. Of course, it said HBO and Urban Decay back there. Oh wow, this is Dragon, Versan, and Rangale. And that's the dragon names, right? So this is a pink, a lighter gold, and a deep gold. And I'm gonna go with the lighter gold. I wanna mess with that lighter gold and that pink. So I'm gonna go into lighter gold. So you guys, this is the finished look of using the Game of Thrones makeup by Urban Decay and HBO. And also, I couldn't find an all white wig, so I have this wig. And actually, this wig's supposed to glow in the dark. So later on, once it gets dark, I'm going to come back, and you should be seeing that at the end of this video. So this is the look, you guys. Until next time, no grandma, glamour. And please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell to remind you when I upload videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.